Hello, fellow pioneers. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Devan Kane. I graduated from Sacred Heart in 2018 with a major in finance and marketing. I also was a member of the women's ice hockey team at Sacred Heart all 4 years. Also, am a co-founder of Heart to Heart, which is the mental health initiative run by student athletes and some extremely passionate Sacred Heart athletic staff who start a conversation around mental health within our department, within athletes and coaches alike, and to just have a conversation to make the stigma go away. So my personal journey with mental health led to creating Heart to Heart, led to a passion for mental health. And so with that, May is Mental Health Month, and I wanted to give some tips and tricks that I've been doing during this time of quarantine and physical distancing that have really helped me adjust to this current environment. So the first thing I've been doing is I've been exercising 30 minutes a day, whether that be walking outside, whether that be riding my spin bike, whatever it may be. I try and move my body 30 minutes a day. Second thing I've been doing is limiting my exposure to news. I think that's something we all can control, and I think we should really take a look at it if we're watching too much and how that adds to our stress. The third thing I've been doing is I always read before I go to bed. I like to make sure that my phone isn't the last thing I look at before I go to bed. It helps with sleep, and sleep is important. Fourth thing I've been doing is I have been virtually connecting with family, friends, old teammates, happy hours virtually, just to kind of keep that human interaction up as much as possible in a healthy and safe way. And my fifth and final tip is more of a life tip, and that's just to emphasize to please reach out if you're not okay. To please know that it's okay to not be okay. And if you see someone in your corner who you think may not be okay, reach out to them. We're all in this together. We all have to have each other's back. We all have to look out for one another. And I think it's important to know that your story is strength. It's not a weakness. Nothing about what you're going through. If you're not okay, it's okay. It's a strength to even admit that. That took me way too long to know, to realize, and my story has brought me nothing but complete and utter strength. I want you all to know that I'm here for you. We're all here for you. I'm sending you love from my tiny apartment here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Whatever the rest of this semester may look like for you, please stay safe, please stay healthy. Peace out.